YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Elon. Don't forget to subscribe to join the family, join the gang, or whatever. So as you can tell by the title, you're sure she's gonna be doing an updated everyday makeup tutorial. You know, it's gonna be detailed for beginners and it's women of color friendly. I did an eyeshadow look to the pink eyeshadow, but my camera died in the middle of me filming it, so I have to remake it. I'll remake it another day, but I just wanted to do my everyday makeup look because I haven't updated it in so long. So here's my new one. There's a big difference from how I did my makeup before and how I do my makeup now. My first ever uploaded one was like a year ago. Completely different. I don't do my makeup like that anymore. But yeah, happy New Year's, you know. It's a new year, 2022. And my goal is to be more consistent on YouTube. And yeah, also follow my Instagram, my new Instagram. Link is down below. I'm trying to grow it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And let me not make this too long. But without further ado, let's get into the video. I feel like I haven't been on YouTube in so long. I've been more focused on Instagram and trying to grow it because, you know, the account got taken down. It was disabled. I don't know why. People reported it for what reason, God knows what. So then it got taken down. I couldn't get it back for like 3 months. And then when I got it back, the account was literally dead. Couldn't grow it. My pictures weren't getting out there. It wasn't reaching Explore. The hashtags weren't working. It was just like, what the heck? And then recently, I changed my username 3 times. Tell me why it got deleted again. Well, not deleted, but disabled. Honestly, I'm just gonna use my new Instagram now. Follow it. I'm at like 2,700. I'm just gonna use that as my new Instagram because number one, my photos hit Explore page. My everything is just more engagement since it's still new. I stay consistent on there, then Instagram will like push it out more. But yeah, so first I'm gonna start with my hair. I'm just gonna do like a wavy situation going on. I just haven't been motivated to do YouTube for the longest. I was more focused on my Instagram, and then recently I just realized YouTube is what I wanted to do for the longest. Why did I stop? Like, it's exciting. Like, I like filming. I like coming up with content. I'm like a pretty creative person. I like filming. I like doing my makeup. I like doing my hair. When I started off, I had nobody to go to. There's no one that taught me anything. So most of the stuff that I learned is from YouTube. A lot of the stuff that I learned is from YouTube. So why not, you know, share what I know on YouTube to help out other people that were like me. You know, if that makes sense. Literally why I started YouTube, to help out others, especially black girls. Especially like in Canada. I don't really see that much like dark skin influencers in Canada like that. Well, that I know of. I'm just using a heat protector. Everything will be linked down below. Show you guys how I curl my hair. I just wrap it around and then I hold it like this for like 10-20 seconds. I let my curls sit for at least 30 minutes while I do my makeup. It takes me like an hour to do my makeup. I'm like looking at myself in the mirror if I'm not looking at the camera. That's what I do, and then just it's hot. Let me just come back when the other side is done. Now I'm gonna start my makeup. Well, it is 2022. I'm so excited for this year. You guys don't understand. There's so many things that's gonna happen. So my life is about to change like crazy. And one of my goals this year is to be more consistent on YouTube, which I will be. I'm gonna try to post at least 2 to 1 times a week. And it's almost my birthday. Oh, I have to post the vlog 2022. Okay, so with my eyebrows, I just fill it however I want, big, and then I clean it up with concealer. I'm being so dramatic right now. Why am I making it look like this? I use a Nars concealer for my concealer. I love Nars, my favorite concealer. It's almost my birthday. I'm gonna turn 19 this year, January 21st. Mark it down, write it down somewhere because I'm gonna say happy birthday from every single buddy that watches this video. I pray that 2022 brings everybody nothing but good vibes. I want to be more consistent on YouTube, as I was saying. I like filming. I like making content. At first I was shy, and now I'm just like, I don't care anymore. And it's my channel. If you don't like what I post or what I do, there's how many other channels. I look so dead. I have so much dark spots on my face. So I'm going to be using this sample primer I got from Sephora because I can't find my Maybelline one. But this is just to pour. I feel like my channel, I've been doing a lot of hair videos and it's so boring. Another thing, if you want to be an influencer and like you don't have a part-time influencer and you're like busy and stuff, on the weekend take a day where you film and take pictures and all that stuff. Do it in 1 or 2 days, and then through the week you just edit and upload, edit and upload. That's what I do, and then people think I'm so consistent and I'm like, babes, these were taken 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. Everybody's busy. Like, everyone's busy. No one has that much time on their hands. Unless you are a full-time influencer, then that's literally your job. For foundation, I mixed the Fenty Too Faced Born This Way. It says medium coverage, but it's literally full coverage. I don't like wearing a lot of foundation. Yeah, I'm gonna be using Morphe brushes. Shout out to BK for gifting me these for Christmas. Thank you, babes. And I also got... Isn't it crazy how fast 2021 went? Isn't it crazy how fast this year is going too? Like, I'm sorry, it's January. What? Because I actually miss talking to the camera. With makeup, blending is very, very important. And honestly, I already know somebody's gonna ask for a skincare routine. I will make one. I'll make one soon. Up and close, no flitter. Yeah, like I said, blending and makeup is very important because when you take pictures, you don't want flashbacks. This brush is actually so good too. Anyone that wants to become a YouTuber or an influencer, the best time to start is now, in the middle of the lockdown again, so everybody's gonna be at home bored without anything to do. So I feel like this would be like a great time to grow your audience because like everyone's at home. People are like gonna be on their phone because they're bored. No, I'll make a separate video on how to start. I'm just using eyeshadow again. I'm using cinnamon roll. I'm gonna use the Fenty one to put it underneath. I don't want it to be too bright, you know. Setting spray. This is the e.l.f. one. I have a Laura Mercier powder. Well, actually, we gotta give it to me because it's too dark for her. The one that I used on this side is Fit Me. Actually, let's see the difference today. I don't put like too much because I don't know. I don't like that whole trend. I think this is way better for me. Wow. Wow. Do you guys see the difference from this side of my face and this side of my face? This one is way closer to my skin. The other one just makes me so ashy. Damn, this is the Laura Mercier one. Okay, now I see why girls love this because this is the Fit Me one. And what is it covering? It's medium deep. This is definitely the one. I know that whole UK girl makeup trend going around. I like it on other girls, not on me. I don't bake with my powder anymore. I just put it onto my face. So you just take the brush that you have foundation on and then you go over here, just like around here, because you want it to blend with your foundation a little bit. Now it looks less white. But I put blush before I put the powder. Damn, it's okay. It's okay. We live and we learn. And I don't use blush. I use an eyeshadow powder. I just use pink. If you're a dark skinned girl, it's good to use a pink/purple blush, like this color. Purple. And then if you're like lighter skin tone, use orange. Orange will look really, really good on you. I mean, obviously you can use whatever you want, but I'm just suggesting. And I'm just gonna blend it out. Oh, I like when I mix it with the powder though. Oh my days. I don't know, it just makes it look nice. This is the powder brush. I'm just gonna go over it like. This is my favorite mascara. It's gonna look like I have lashes. So the lashes I'm gonna be using is this. It came with a hair. I don't remember what hair, but one of my hair. So yeah, I let my nose one sit a bit more. I use a lot of setting spray because I don't want my makeup to come off because I'd be wearing my makeup for like a lot of hours. So I use a lot of setting spray. It's like a eyeliner. These lashes are so pretty, y'all. Honestly, I don't think it's 25. I hate 25 milliliter lashes, to be honest. I hate them. But I only have like 25 milliliter lashes right now. I need to order new lashes, but I don't like 25 milliliter lashes. They're so big. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. Lashes are so hard to put on at first. I suggest using tweezers if it's your first time. I've done this so many times that I literally just put it on with my hands, and it takes me like 2 seconds to put it on. But first you measure it onto your eye, put it like that, and then because sometimes it's too big and you have to cut it, but sometimes like perfect. And I have to cut some of the end off. I like how it's like eyeliner and glue. I need to fix the wing. I'm gonna put the lash on first before it dries. Then I put on highlighter. I usually use a fan brush to apply it, but I don't have a fan brush because somebody touched it. I just put on highlighter after and then lip gloss. Okay guys, so this is the final look. But this is basically just the end of the look. This is my everyday makeup look. Not my everyday makeup. Everyday, I don't do makeup for everyday. Like everyday I don't. This is for like if I have to create content or if I'm going out, this is the makeup I put on. But I am gonna call it everyday makeup because like this is the makeup that I do every single time I have to go somewhere, or every single time I do my makeup, this is how I do it. Isn't she so pretty? Like this hair is so cute. The hair is giving. Yeah, the link will be down below for the hair. Everything else used in the video will also be down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, if you try this out, let me know. And yeah, I hope this helps out. And also follow my new Instagram. I'm trying to grow it, you know, follow, share, whatever. I'm trying to grow that Instagram page. And add me on all my other social media platforms. If you have a makeup look you want me to do, just DM it to me. You know, send it to my Snap or send it to me on Instagram. I reply. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.